I don't know about you, but I tend to buy too much produce every week, especially in the summer. And sometimes I just need a high protein meal that's easy to make and even easier to reheat. This cheesy sausage and pepper egg bake has 27 grams of protein per serving and is a total game changer. The best part, my kids can heat it up themselves whenever they need a quick snack or meal, which gives me a little extra breathing room during the day. It's a huge relief knowing that there's something healthy and filling ready to go for them in the fridge. Plus, you can swap in whatever veggies, proteins, or cheeses you have on hand, whatever's in season, or whatever you bought too much of. It's super flexible and forgiving, which is exactly what I need on busy days. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or just want a simple, no-fuss protein boost, this egg bake fits the bill every time. Full recipe in the caption below.